Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to create group chat on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create an Instagram chat group with your friends, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app. In top right side corner, you will find message icon. Tap on that, then tap on this pencil mark option. After that, you will find here create group chat. Here you can create group name whatever you want. Then at least you have to select minimum 2 friends to create a group chat. After selecting your friends, then tap on create group chat, then tap on OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can create a group chat on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.